Hey guys, welcome back. And today is day 2 for LeetCode 75, and we are doing question number 1071, greatest common divisor of strings. So what the problem statement basically says is we are given two strings s and t, and we can say that t divides s if and only if t is a multiple of s, right? So if s equals to t plus t plus up to the required number of times, then t can be called as a divisor of s. So we are given two strings str1 and str2, and we need to return the largest string x such that x divides both str1 and str2. To visualize the problem, let's come to our visualizer, LeetCode 1071, greatest common divisor of string. And just to take example, let's take these two examples, ABC, ABC and ABC, and let's see what happens. So first step will be to check the concatenation, right? If str1 plus str2 will not be equal to str2 plus str1, there will be no multiple, alright? So for example, just to take an example, if I write d here, so here if str1 plus str2 is not equal to str2 plus str1, right? Because of this d. So str1 plus str2 gives this string, and str2 plus str1 gives this string, and these both are not equal, so we return the empty string, right? If there is no multiple, for example here string 1 is lead and string 2 is code, we return an empty string. Now if string 1 is ABC, ABC and string 2 is ABC, then the first step is to check concatenation, that is to check the addition of two strings both the ways. Next step is to calculate the GCD of the lengths of those strings. So for example, if the length of the string str1 is 6 and the length of string str2 is 3, then GCD of these both lengths of those strings will be 3. So what we conclude from this GCD equals to 3 is that the multiple of both these strings will have a length of 3. Now step 3 is to return the final result, and the final result will be the substring of string 1 with length 3. So here the substring of string 1 of length 3 is ABC, and so we return ABC as our final result. Let's take another example, AB, AB, AB and AB, AB. Let's see what we get here. So step 1, check concatenation. Well, here string 1 plus string 2 is equals to string 2 plus string 1. So concatenations are equal. Let's continue to the next step. We need to calculate the GCD now, right? So the GCD of 6 and 4 is 2. So we need to return substring of length 2 from substring 1. From string 1, sorry. So substring of string 1 with length 2 is AB. So we return final result AB, and here output is also AB. So to code the algorithm, it's simple. We just check if string 1 is string 1 plus string 2 is not equals to string 2 plus string 1. If these both are not equal, we just return an empty string. Alright, next step is to calculate the GCD of both these strings. So to calculate the GCD of both these strings, let's initialize two variables, int n1 which goes on to store the size of string 1, and int n2 which goes on to store size of string 2. And now let's calculate the GCD. So for example, let's take a variable name, let's say let's give it answer len. So length of the answer, right? So answer len equals to GCD of n1 and n2. So GCD is a STL function in C++ library, and we have got answer ln. So now we need to return the substring. So return substring, return str1 dot substring which goes from 0 to answer len. Let's run it. Yes, it works, and let's submit it now. Yep, it is accepted. Thank you guys, this was all, and stay tuned for more videos, more upcoming videos of LeetCode 75. Thank you.